12 metre spider beam telescopic pole. It goes up and over and goes away over into the tree, away over the back there, over the back of the neighbour's garden there. If you'll see the coil there for 80 metres on the end. It's a 20 metre bit of wire there with the 80 metre coil and then the extra on the end, and it's just tied into the trees there over the back fence. And you'll see I've got a Spirit of the Air pole going up there, which I'm going to free up and bring over. I'm going to bring that over here and swap it. I'm going to swap it with the spider beam 12 metre pole, because this pole I want to use going portable. And go up the hill here. I've got a 20 metre T2LT that we built with some help for Stuart Mike 0 Oscar Victor Golf. And the wee Spirit of the Air pole is just no long enough. That's 10 metres. So this Spirit of the Air, this spider beam one's 12 metres, so it's just the right height. So we're going to get this swapped. We're going to take this one out. We're going to put the Spirit of the Air one in its place with the 4091 here. And it frees up this spider beam pole for going portable in the T2LT. So let's crack on, guys, and we'll get it done before it gets dark. And that's us done, guys. Another bit of coax here's for another antenna. It comes out a bit of mini 8 here. I've just coiled it down the back and sealed it up in a bag to keep the water out of it. But that'll be another video another time. I'll show you the next antenna that's going down there on the back fence. Well, that's it done, guys. You see it's swapped over now on the Spirit of the Air pole. You'll see I used the wee cable ties just to hold the antenna wire as close to the pole as we can, like that. It tilts over a wee bit, but I always think it's a bit better me having it tilted over like that. So when we get really high winds, basically the antenna wire acts as an anchor as well. I'm not really wanting this pole to be blowing back and forward in the wind, and the neighbours might complain and say, oh, that doesn't look very safe. You know what neighbours are like. But anyway, that's us done, guys. It goes over the back there, and I managed to get it up into that tree as high as I could. That's what I went over the back there. You'll see it comes to the coil. The coil's quite heavy, that's why it's sagging like that over there. It comes up to the highest point in the tree there, and I've brung it right down the tree and just tied it off at the bottom on these branches here. I'm sure you can't see it because of the neighbours, but it's all tied off to the tree there at the bottom. So guys, let's go in and see. Hopefully the band still have some people on there. It's a bit late now, but we'll go in and we'll test it and we'll see. Hi guys, welcome back. We've got the end fed half wave on a wee nano V&A here, so we're going to just check what this is 80. We get a sweep for 3.5 to 3.8 here, and roughly our lowest about 1.38 there, at 3.690 megahertz, so that's not too bad. The radio brings it in. The radio brings in kind of on either side of that anyway, so that's all good. We'll just call the whole thing. So here's 40 meters. Okay, between 1.6 and 1.5 on 40 meters there. 20 meters, so we're at 1.3 at 14.070 to 14.350 at 1.2. So we get a nice low on there, nice and low. 18 1.20, we've got about 2.2, so 17 meters. The radio will bring that in anyway. Not too fussed about that. Some of the other bands we didn't really use. 21 megs with 1.2, 24 megs we're away up at 3 point something, but I mean, as I say, the radio bring that stuff in anyway. 28, I don't think I would use it end fed halfway the way up in 10 meters anyway. We're at 1.6, 1.7 up there as well, so there we go.
What is that, Charlie again? Coming back to the call, Victoria, Alpha 1, Charlie. Fantastic, Victor Alpha 1, Charlie, hello, Canada. Fantastic, sir. You are 5 and 7, 57. Not very strong, the signals are not very strong, but very, very clear, Roger. Thank you for the 5-7. You're solid 5-9 here in Halifax, Sierra 5-1 Delta X-ray, Q1Z. In UK, in London for 1 week, it's just like another world. You know, I live in
Not much happening on 20 metres here. We'll go to 40 metres and we'll see what we can... Oh, that's a lot better. There we go. So, certainly some signals here. So there's plenty signals here. Let's try and we'll come up here and tune. So that's how fast we're tuning, so it's quite good on 40, that's for sure. There's our friend Vernon. We'll give him a wee call here. 2 Mexico 0 kilowatt India Echo.
I always hear you say, you're loud. Hope you're well, you're very good. 59 plus about 30, very over. Lovely contact. Running my headset, my DXing antenna. So hopefully you
here,
can
5 and 9 plus 5 I would say there on the meter there at the moment. Bernard, we've just changed over our end-fed half wave. This is what we're on at the moment. I'm doing a wee video here just to see how well it's working. And I'm glad I hear you there. We're 55% RF power to that end-fed half wave. So given the loss in the coax, we're about 50 watts at the 4091 there, Bernard. Back to you, my friend. Mike 3, Yankee Sugar Bravo, to Mexico 0, kilowatt
You're
India.
the same. You're 40 over 9 there, Chase. Unbelievably.
As you can see, as we're dialing the VFO, there's many stations on the band here. The spectroscope and waterfalls is proper lit up here, so the antenna's certainly working. It's doing very well.
November 75, Lima Victor, CQ.
Let's try this Belgium station, 2 Mexico 0, kilowatt India Echo.
Kilowatt India Echo, please come again.
Yeah, this is number 2 Mexico 0, kilowatt India Echo. The name is Keith, Kilo Echo India Tango Hotel. Keith is the name, and I am 15 miles west of Edinburgh, the capital city of Scotland. QSL?
Yes, but I still need your call sign. I still need your call sign.
Yeah, my call sign is number 2 Mexico 0, kilowatt India Echo. 2 Mike 0, Kilo India Echo. QSL?
QSL. 2 Mexico 0, Kilo India Echo. Thank you for calling. You 5 and 9 plus 20 dB.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 9 plus 20 dB. You're 5 and 9 plus here also in Scotland. Very strong and very nice modulation. QSL?
QSL, thank you very much for calling. We do the best. 76. Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Number 2 Mexico 0, kilowatt India Echo.
VK3, Romeo Victor, 39.
2M0 KIE.
Again?
Number 2 Mexico 0, kilowatt India Echo.
2M0 KIE, Kilo Italy Echo, 59.
Yeah, thank you for the 5-9. You're also 5 and 9 here, Scotland, Edinburgh, capital city.